How to fix Microsoft Teams sign-in issues. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application, and from here I'm already signed in. So if you are having problems signing in to your account, there are some few solutions that you can do to fix the problem. So the very first solution that you can try to double check is that you need to see if you are connected to a strong internet connection. So just go here. In my case, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi and it already says connected and secured. So make sure that it says this one because sometimes you might be connected to a Wi-Fi but it says no internet. So make sure your Wi-Fi has internet connection, or if you are using a wired connection like an Ethernet connection, make sure it also has internet. So after you have verified you have an internet connection and you are still having problems with signing in, what you can do is that you can try to delete the cache files of Microsoft Teams. So to do that, we can close Microsoft Teams first. From here, we need to select Quit Teams. Then from here, let's run the run command. You can just type in run in the search icon right here, and then this should appear as well. What I did is I just used the keyboard shortcut, which is the Windows key and then the R key. From here, just type in %update /Microsoft/Teams. From here, click OK. You will see this folder right here, and then you can delete all of the files inside here. So those are the cache files. In my case, I've already deleted it. So that's why I just have the backgrounds folder right here. After that, try opening Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. If it's still not working, now we can try to use the repair feature of Microsoft. So just go to the control panel, click Programs and Features. From here in the search bar, type in Microsoft. From here, you will see this, Microsoft 365 and Microsoft 365 apps for business. So if you're using a personal Microsoft account, just choose Microsoft 365. If you're using a business account, use this one, Microsoft 365 apps for business. From here, click change, click yes, and then you see two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. I suggest using the quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without an internet connection. And after you have used quick repair, and if it's still not working, now you can use online repair. This will fix all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. So you can select this option if you're still having problems after quick repair. So just choose either of the two options, then click repair. Keep in mind, after you click repair, it will take a little while until it is finished. So you just need to wait for it. And after finishing the repair feature, now you can try to open Microsoft Teams again. And then your problem should now be fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the sign-in issues with Microsoft Teams. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.